Over 100 years ago, who could have imagined what our lives would be like today? The remarkable progress of technology has continuously provided us with products that support our convenient and prosperous lifestyles. Industrial machinery and materials produced with Japan Steelworks technologies play an important role in the manufacture of products that are essential to our daily lives, including personal computers, smartphones, televisions, and automobiles. We have always endeavored to develop innovative and cutting-edge products and create new markets. Just like this brave penguin who is the first to dive boldly into the sea of risk. We are the first engineers to realize a new way of manufacturing and create new markets driven on by this pioneering spirit. Today, the pace of technological evolution and environmental change is accelerating. We are living through a time when it is difficult to predict the future. Even in the midst of these rapidly changing trends, we will continue to take a leading position in addressing customer issues and providing new value. We are now experiencing a once-in-a-century transformation. The automobile industry is undergoing electrification, automated driving, and other technological innovations driven by the decarbonization movement. Japan Steelworks manufactures industrial machinery used to produce components essential for electric vehicles. A separator film is one of many materials that support the performance of lithium-ion batteries used in automobiles. We are the only company in the world that can manufacture it all in-house, from the upstream to the downstream processes. We are also developing separator film manufacturing equipment for the next generation to produce stronger and thinner films. There is a growing need to reduce the use of plastics and cut CO2 emissions. For example, as the move to make automobile parts more lightweight improves fuel efficiency, parts formerly made primarily of steel are now made of plastic. Consequently, the field of foam molding is attracting attention as a way to make already light plastic parts even lighter. Automobile parts made of magnesium are becoming increasingly large. Since we have experience in manufacturing fairly large plastic molding machines, we plan to promote the manufacture of bigger magnesium injection molding machines by utilizing the technologies we have accumulated. More than 100 years of history means we now possess a huge range of technologies. If we take machining as an example, many hardships were encountered and trials and errors were repeated along this way, but the result is what we have today. In this sense, we are the first engineers. There will be many initiatives that we will be the first to undertake, and we believe that such challenges are important. Japan Steelworks also has high value-added technologies in the field of electronic devices, which are important for the construction of telecommunications infrastructure. The more digitalization progresses, the faster everything will become. We need to provide equipment, raw materials, and other products for a wide range of processes from upstream to downstream. We are currently conducting research and development for this purpose. A laser annealing system has made it possible to produce high-definition panels, such as those used in smartphones and LCD televisions, that were previously unattainable. We will establish a mass production process of gallium nitride, which is used in high-frequency devices for 5G and power semiconductors. There is growing demand for these semiconductors, which are essential for controlling higher voltages and currents in various applications. Gallium nitride is expected to be the next generation material for power semiconductors. We are always exploring how we can contribute to the realization of a sustainable society. Since we are a supplier of plastic manufacturing and processing machinery, we believe it is our responsibility to ensure that our resource recycling technologies are incorporated into the resource recycling economy or the circular economy. Since its foundation, the company has established melting, mixing, and solidifying technologies, which involve melting iron, mixing alloy constituents, and solidifying them perfectly. Later, machine element technology in the industrial machine field and precision control technology for operating machines were added to constitute our 5 core competencies. We want to make a new contribution by marketing innovative products that have not previously existed anywhere in the world. We want to always be the first engineers company. This time, we have defined material revolution as the purpose of the first engineers group. We have the power to change materials. Plastic is a relatively new material that became widely used after the Second World War. This represented a revolution in materials that has changed the world. A laser annealing system has made it possible to produce high-definition liquid crystals. For all these advances, we have provided either the industrial machinery associated with the materials or the materials themselves. We will continue to expand in this area to achieve sustainable growth. The importance of innovation for companies wanting to contribute to a prosperous future society is being increasingly recognized. We at Japan Steel Works will continue to take on the challenges of entering into new fields imbued with the spirit of the first engineers and without fear of failure.